everyone, I am going to tell you an amazing story written by R.K. Narayan, a hero. This is the story about a boy Swami who lives with his mother, father and grandmother. He always sleeps with his grandmother. One day Swami's father was reading newspaper. He read a paragraph to Swami that narrated bravery and courage of a village boy who, while returning home through jungle path, met a tiger. He fought with the tiger and climbed a tree. Later the villagers come and kill the tiger. Swami the boy didn't believe it. He said, a boy cannot fight with a tiger. But his father said, you must believe a newspaper. And age and strength are not important. Courage is everything. Swami disputed his father's theory. Father challenged Swami to sleep alone for a night in his office room. Swami tried to change the topic by talking about his cricket club. But his father commanded him to sleep alone in his office that night. Swami said, from the first of next month I will sleep alone. But his father said no. In the evening, Swami slept near his granny and pretended to sleep. He told his granny not to wake him up, but his father, sitting aside his mother's and grandmother's request, woke him up and took him to his office room. Swami made many excuses like his father's room is so dusty and there may be scorpions behind his law book, but had to sleep there. Father even switched off the light but kept the door open on one condition, that he would not go to his granny at night. Otherwise, he would tell all his friends that he was a coward. Swami feared and crossed the newspaper. He wished the boy might have been killed by the tiger. He remembered all the story of ghosts and devils in night. As the night advanced, he remembered a devil had slapped his friend's father and many such events that he had heard. He heard something rustling. He was trying to see in the darkness. Something was moving. Thinking that he was a devil, he caught him and beat him with all his might. He used his teeth as deadly weapon. It was not a devil but actually a burglar. Ayyo, something had bitten me, burglar cried loudly. Hearing the cry, father, cook and servant came in carrying light. All of them fell on the burglar who was lying on the floor with bleeding ankle. Next day, everybody congratulated Swami for his courage. The headmaster said he was a true scout, and his friends looked at him with respect. The inspector was grateful to him as the burglar was notorious and wanted housebreaker. The inspector asked Swami to join police when he grew up. So things went back normal and Swami again slept beside his grandmother. Mother said to father, let him sleep where he like and don't put his life in danger. Father said, spoil him much as you like, but do not blame him afterward. Swami heard the whole conversation and felt relieved, thinking that his father was giving up on him, as he didn't want to sleep alone again. That's how Swaminathan became hero. Thank you.